What's up, oh you crazy box breaking car collected football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, where we want to be your box breaking website. We are coming in live in high definition at 11 p.m. on the East Coast, 10 Central here in Wisconsin. Here are the groups for tonight's break of Gold Standard and the people that own them. Here is the box for tonight's break. Here's the box top and the checklist. There's the pack. Alright, good luck everybody. Alright, up first for the Minnesota Vikings, we have a Donovan McNabb base card. That is numbered 126 of 299. For the Indianapolis Colts, Anthony Can't Stand You Costanza. And that is numbered 81 of 299. For the Cincinnati Bengals, we have a rookie Jay Finley. And that is numbered 2 of 10. For the St. Louis Rams, we have a Robert Quinn. A rookie base card, and that's numbered 19 of 25. For the Chicago Bears, we have a Gold Leaf Stars, Jay Cutler. And this one's numbered 252 of 299. For the Green Bay Packers, we have a rookie, Gold Leaf rookie, Randall Cobb. And that is numbered 133 of 299. For the Miami Dolphins, we have a Dan Marino jersey patch card. And that one is numbered 66 of 299. Nice looking card. For the New York Jets, we have a gold leaf rookie, Bilal Powell. And that one is numbered 45 of 299. And then for the Tennessee Titans, we have a very nice looking Jake Locker on card rookie auto in silver Sharpie with a nice looking navy blue patch. And that is numbered 177 of 325. For the St. Louis Rams, we have a Lance Kendricks rookie autograph. And that's numbered 368 of 499. For the Jacksonville Jaguars, we have a rookie Cecil Shorts III autograph. Seems like I've been getting a lot of him lately. And that is numbered 358 of 499. And the last up, for the Houston Texans, we have a Matt Schaub. That's a base card. That's numbered 195 of 299. Thanks again, everybody. We're going to put some gold standard up for tomorrow night, and then probably some more gold standard and limited for Monday night. So check back and get your spots. All right.